Oh, yeah. We had no idea Malta's capital was hiding one of the most underrated food scenes in Europe, but Valletta changed everything. Today we'll find out if Malta's national dish is worth the hype, tackle century-old sweet treats, and try Maltese-style pizza you've never heard of. We're showing you the best of Valletta in just 24 hours, because your vacation is too short for bad food. I'm so full. I'm dead. To start your day in Valletta, we recommend going to Cafe JUBILEE. This place is a bit of an institution on the island. They have a location here in Valletta and also in Gaujo, one of the Maltese islands. It's got a very cool, like, authentic-y but old bohemian vibe, and they serve a really great mix of kind of like more simple breakfast if you want some eggs or bacon or toast, but they also have a lot of Maltese specialties, which is what we're gonna get because we are in Malta. And we got a little savory and a little sweet, but we're gonna start with sweet because there's ice cream and it's melting. This is a traditional imcat, which is like a fried date pastry. You can see the date inside. It's served warm, it's crispy, it's crunchy. We had these in our Valletta food tour, which we'll link. These ones are a little bit less crunchy, which I like. A little more soft and pillowy. And the date flavor is a little more intense. It's very delicious. Oh yeah. It's got cinnamon on it. It's like a mini donut. From sweet, which was 10 out of 10 amazing. Oh my gosh, I want you to love those date fritters. We're going to fish. Makes sense, right? So lampuki is the same as mahi-mahi or dorado, depends on what part of the world you're coming from. And it's a really big traditional fish here in Malta. So we got a lampuki pie, which kind of looks like a puff pastry. Oh, it's actually like harder than I thought. Very crispy. I don't think I can cut this gracefully.
I'm excited to see what's in there.
Oh yeah. This is a feast. Cheers to fish for breakfast when in Malta, baby.
From ice cream to fish.
It is kind of a strange combo. If you do it, maybe get the fish first, like order the dates after, but it's really good. It's actually not too strange for breakfast. Very briny with the olives and the capers. With the tomatoes bring this kind of like fruitiness, and then there's those onions, which honestly amazing, and buttery, crunchy puff pastry. It's a great combo. Coffee. Fish and coffee. You heard it here first.
Yeah.
Yes. We like to keep it real and manage expectations. While Malta is less visited than some places like Italy, it is still very popular, as you can see behind me, and it is a cruise ship port. So sometimes you get these hordes of people. Know before you go. A very popular spot in all of Malta is NENU the Artisan Baker. NENU, the owner of the place, is from the small town of Pormi. Probably saying that wrong. Please let us know in the comments how you pronounce the Q's and all the Maltese words. That's kind of the bread city, and he makes ftira, which is the traditional Maltese bread, but specifically the Angela Fornara. Hope I said that. Which is like a flat bread. And we got the traditional version with rabbit, potatoes, and peas. It looks like a pizza. Double tap if you like anything that looks like a pizza. And it looks pretty amazing. So, looks very bubbly. I know it's like, you know, wood fired, but it's hot. Ooh. The bread is really crispy, but soft. The rabbit's really tender. It's kind of like a tomato vibe. Sesame seeds add this kind of like nuttiness. And there's a bunch of fresh herbs, some rosemary, I think a little bit of fennel too, which we're finding in a lot of Maltese cuisine. It's very unique, a very good, it's a light lunch. Caleb loves all things carbs.
This is my kind of feast. Not only do you get bread, you get potatoes.
Carb heaven. Tell us in the comments if you love carbs, like Caleb. Oh yeah, all the fatiras.
That's crazy. Whoa.
That is hot. Many people just stick around Valletta, but really the real magic is getting outside of the center and walking just like 10 minutes to Floriana, another walled city just outside of Valletta city center, which is quieter, a little more authentic, and super beautiful.
Today's history lesson with Taylor
is, why are the balconies sticking out and covered? Well, back in the day when the Turks were trying to invade Malta, as they did, they didn't want them to climb them, so they made them stick out so they couldn't, and then they covered them and made them walk so they couldn't get into their house and kill them. You could go to a swanky rooftop bar and pay like $30 a cocktail to watch the sunset, or you could do what we did. You could route to Barton Park on your Google Maps. It's literally called that. It's a bar.
because it's a bar.
In a park, it's literally a little hut. You can get a glass of wine, walk over to the wall, which is actually pretty flat, climb up the top, drink your wine, and watch the most epic sunset of your life.
What you finding?
A lot of wine. So much wine. Once you finish watching your sunset with wine, it's time to drink more wine because you're on vacation and you're in Malta, so why not? We're at NENU, which is a very unique kind of concept restaurant. There is no menu. You come at lunch for 5 courses or dinner, which is what we're doing for 7 courses. It's all just whatever the chef finds at the market. He makes local Maltese dishes, and you get a little 7-course tasting menu. And they have a huge wine list of Maltese wines to pair with it. So we are very excited to get our eat on.
Our national cheese in Malta, it's called the JUBILEE. This here is a Maltese sausage. This is the Maltese version of the caponata, okay, which tends to be a little bit sweeter. So it's made from bell peppers, aubergine, just honey, red wine.
Okay, cheese and fig jam. One of my favorite combos. Okay, if you've had a fig Newton, you will know this jam tastes like, but sweeter. Cheese. The salty, kind of like mild cheese with fig jam. Just an incredible bite. Let's try the sausage. It's got like kind of a tomato topping on it. It's smoky. Doesn't taste too fatty like pork sausage. Also very delicious. Course 2 is pumpkin soup because it is autumn and I'm a white basic. I can't say it. I'm a white basic girl and I like pumpkin spice. And it's like a spiced pumpkin soup. Oh, it's really thick. Like, look at that. Like fills the spoon, it's so thick. Oh yeah, there's nutmeg and cumin in there. It's kind of creamy, but not too creamy, and that little hint of spice. It's a very delicious soup. Course 3 is catch of the day. We have some sea bream, which is my absolute favorite fish, some cabbage salad, and some octopus. When in Malta, when you're on an island, you gotta eat seafood. Course number 4, and I'm already full. We're halfway there. We have an eggplant and Parmesan tomato stack.
That looks like a lasagna.
It looks like eggplant parm, I think. Yeah, it's like eggplant parm. It's delicious. Olive oil, eggplant, cheese. What could go wrong? I'm excited for rabbit pasta, I'm not gonna lie. Back in the day, Malta was kind of like confined when they were being conquered by all the people. And so they turned to eat all the things that were in the city, which was rabbit. So rabbit is a very traditional dish. And so now we are trying for our 5th course, rabbit stew on top of pasta with cheese. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. Look at that steam. Oh. Well, I dropped it. Those noodles are incredible. They're al dente. The rabbit is gamey, but not too gamey. It's got kind of like a sweet and tangy with the tomato sauce and the very salty cheese. I mean, maybe we should eat more rabbit in the States. Course number 5 out of 6, we are almost there, is pork cheeks. I'm so full. I don't know. There's another stomach for Maltese food. I'm pretty sure that's how this works. Right? Okay, it's steaming. Pretty much falls off the bone, so you know it's going to be amazing. Oh yeah, this one's up there. That is very good. The flavors are so intense. The meat is so soft and tender. Little briny pops of, there's some caper, and that kind of like chewy bean, little sweet carrot. Feels like grandma's hugging her taste buds.
Let's keep eating this. I'm feeling my stomach expanding. And I don't care.
So for dessert, you get a choice between the desserts of the day, which is like, 3 or 4 different desserts. We want traditional food. So for me, I got a ricotta and pistachio, or pistachio if you're from Italy, tart, which kind of looks like a cheesecake. And Caleb got their budina tal hobs, which is essentially like a bread pudding, but it also looks like a chocolate cake. So, very intrigued by it. Let's try mine. Oh, I can already tell it's like more dense than a cheesecake. Ooh, that might be my new favorite kind of cheesecake. A little bit sweet, a little bit tart. Perfect way to end a very large meal.
Fruit cake. Fruit cake.
Is it chocolatey?
It kind of tastes like a fruit cake. You speak it into existence, and it just happens. It's like a warm fruit cake. Honestly, it doesn't taste very chocolatey, actually. It's more just like fruit and cake.
I'm so full I might explode and die, but it's fine.
It'll be a good day.
Oh man, I'm so full. I'm dead.